I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by checking the phone model and OS. This determines available controls. Next, sign into the parent account and enable two-factor authentication for safety. Decide the main limits, screen time, specific apps, and location access so you don't guess later. Once done, link the child device using Family Sharing or Google Family Link. Follow on-screen pairing prompts. Make sure to note admin credentials and a recovery email, because losing them prevents changes and wastes time. You now configure the core restrictions. Open Screen Time or Family Link and set daily totals and bedtimes that match household rules. Then, restrict apps by category or individual name, set age-appropriate content ratings, and require a parent PIN for purchases. Once those are active, enable web filters and block inappropriate sites. Choose strict or nuanced filtering depending on age. Finally, activate location sharing and communication limits so you can monitor safety without constant check. You finish by testing each restriction. Attempt to open blocked apps, make a purchase, and load filtered websites. Confirm location updates. Then, explain the rules and consequences to your child so expectations are clear, and schedule reviews every 2 weeks. If something fails, don't panic. First, reset the parent password, then repair the child device, and make sure both phones run the latest OS. If problems persist, remove and reapply the profile. That often clears sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.